Southwest African lion. Sadly, it's not just a striking color scheme that makes a lion, or animal for that matter, unique. Often, when we say unique, what we mean is rare. And there are so many lions that are rare, sadly, because of hunting. One such example is the Southwest African lion, which also goes by the name of Katanga lion, Panthera leo melanochaeta, and Steve. One of those was a joke, I'll leave you to guess which. Though rare, when they are found, it's normally in, as you might have guessed from the name, southwestern Africa. To get more specific, the countries of Zaire, Angola, Zimbabwe, Botswana, Namibia, and western Zambia. That sounds like a lot of places, so it feels like they should be spotted everywhere, but that is sadly not the case. And if they were everywhere, they'd be easy to spot, as they are among the largest lions in the world. Males attain lengths of between 8.2 feet and 10.2 feet, while females have a length between 7.5 feet and 8.7 feet. Males weigh around 140 to 242 kilograms, while females weigh about 105 to 170 kilograms. And though not as notably striking as the jet black fur of the previous kitty cat on this list, the Katanga still has a touch of unique coloring. Their mane is a touch lighter than other lion subspecies. It's a subtle difference, but one that will help when trying to tell the Southwest African apart from other similar-looking lions. Barbary lion. From the southwest to the east and now to the north. The top of the continent is home to the rather practicably named North African lion, but its other, more fun names include Panthera leo leo. Now, I don't have a stutter, it has the word Leo in its name twice, and the Barbary lion. This lion subspecies previously kicked around Egypt, Tunisia, Morocco, and Algeria. Sadly, it's one of the rarest lions on the list thanks to hunting, and is, as the time of making this video, extinct in the wild, with the last being killed in 1920s Morocco. But some still live in captivity, residing in the Rabat Zoo. The Barbary lion is one of the largest subspecies of lion, and individuals with lengths ranging between 9.8 feet and 10.8 feet, and weights of over 200 kilograms have been previously reported. Somebody's eaten one too many antelope. Maasai lion. But it's not just the southwest of Africa that's home to rare cats. The east of the continent is also home to a rare breed, that of the Maasai, or Panthera leo nubica. It's most commonly found slinking around Mozambique, Ethiopia, Kenya, and Tanzania. But what exactly is it that makes the Maasai stand out? The Maasai lions have less curved backs and longer legs than any other subspecies of lion. And you've no doubt heard of neck beards. Well, the Maasai have knee beards. Little, moderate tufts of hair springing from the knee joints to help you differentiate between the male and the female. The manes of the Maasai lion appear to be combed backwards, and older males have fuller manes than the younger ones. Male Maasai lions living in highlands above 2,600 feet also have heavier manes than those living in the lowland areas. Male Maasai lions attain a length between 8.2 feet and 9.8 feet. Lionesses are smaller, with lengths ranging from 7.5 feet to 8.5 feet. Asiatic lion. Ready for those three names again? The Asiatic lion, aka the Indian lion, aka the Panthera leo persica, was once widespread, roaming freely from Turkey to Southwest Asia to the Indian subcontinent. But now, not so much. These days, you'll only find an Asiatic lion in Gir National Park and the Wildlife Sanctuary, both in the Indian state of Gujarat. And there are less than 600 at that. The Asiatic lion is smaller than the largest of the African lions, but is similar in size to the Central African lion. The weight of the adult male Asiatic lions ranges between 160 kilograms and 190 kilograms, while that of females ranges from 110 kilograms to 120 kilograms. A longitudinal fold of skin running along the belly is the striking morphological feature that helps in the identification of the Asiatic lion. The fur color of the Asiatic lion ranges from muddy tawny, buffish gray, or sandy to heavily speckled with black. The lions have a moderate mane growth, unlike the African subspecies, and their ears are always visible. The Asiatic lions also exhibit less genetic variation than the African subspecies. These lions are classified as endangered by the IUCN. Ethiopian lion. Just like every other lion on this list, the Ethiopian lion comes with a whole trilogy of names, its other two being Addis Ababa and Panthera leo roosevelti. Addis Ababa is a type of lion that, though originally considered to be the East African lion, was classified as a separate subspecies after phenotypic and genotypic analysis on lions kept in captivity in the Addis Ababa Zoo. Ethiopian lions have darker manes and smaller bodies compared to other lion subspecies, but this could also be the result of living in captivity. Either way, their daintier bodies and darker shade of hair helps them stand out from the crowd. Transvaal lion. One of the ways in which the Transvaal lion is not unique is that, like so many others, it has 3 whole titles: Transvaal, Kalahari, and, strap in for more Latin, Panthera leo krugeri. The Transvaal is most commonly found in the southern parts of Africa, with significant populations in South Africa's Kruger National Park and Swaziland's Hlein Royal National Park. Most of the males of this subspecies have a black, well-developed mane. The length of the males ranges between 8.5 feet and 10.5 feet, while females attain a length of between 7.7 feet and 9.0 feet. Male Kalahari lions have a weight of about 150 to 250 kilograms, while females are 110 to 182 kilograms in weight. West African lion. The critically endangered West African lion, or the Senegal lion, or the, and here comes that Latin again, Panthera leo senegalensis, inhabits Western Africa from the Central African Republic to Senegal. The West African lion is the smallest among the sub-Saharan African lions. Only about 1,800 individuals remain as small and fragmented populations in West Africa. Like most others on this list, the Senegal lion is rare because of hunting. Despite being of great importance to the culture of Senegal, a lion is even the official national symbol, they are officially listed as critically endangered. The 3,513 square mile Niokolo Koba National Park is the only place you can find them, and there are only 50 known in the world. White lion. We started with the black lion, we end with the white lion. It was inevitable. The yang to the yin, the light to the shade, the snow to the charcoal. For centuries, rumors about the white lion spread from South Africa all over the world. It wasn't until 1975 that actual sightings confirmed this mysterious and strange cat's existence. 2 white lion cubs were bought at the Timbavati Game Reserve next to Kruger National Park. Sadly, even if they're provided with the very best of living conditions, the penthouse suite of zoos, the mortality rate of white lions is still remarkably high. White lions have difficulties in catching their prey, and due to their very striking color, are extremely vulnerable to hyena attacks. The whiteness of their fur is a rare color mutation caused by a recessive gene known as chinchilla, or color inhibitor, which is deliberately perpetuated by many zoos in the world. The population of the white lion is not known, but the most recent count was in 2004, and at the time, the count was as low as a mere 300. From black to white and all sorts of variations in the middle, these were the rarest and therefore most unique lions in Ishasha lion. Some lions are unique because of the color of the fur. Some are unique because of their rarity due to hunting. But the Ishasha lion is unique because of its notable hobby. It likes to climb trees. That's right, a lion that climbs trees. They're such a rarity that even though there's photographic evidence, many people think the photos are faked by safari marketeers. But Ishasha lions are very much real, and just like monkeys, they clamber up trees to explore. And it should come as no surprise. Home cats are always climbing things and causing all manner of mayhem, so why shouldn't big cats be the same? Located in the remote region of Ishasha, these unique lions have found their home among the birds in the branches. This has to be the only place in the world where if someone says, "Watch out for the lion," you would be wise to look up. No one's quite sure why these lions, but no others, have chosen to make the trees their home. Some suspect it's to shield themselves from rain. Others suspect they just prefer the cool breeze up top. One of the most convincing theories is that in this neck of the woods, lions are at risk of being attacked by a particularly nasty species of fly called tsetse, but luckily they hover pretty low. By clambering up the trees, the Ishasha lion can escape the nasty bites of the tsetse.